Hello children, now we have learned all these shapes here: circle, rectangle, square, oval, triangle, right? We learned all these shapes. Now what we are going to do now, we are going to separate the shapes, okay? We are going to sort out or separate the shapes. Now here circle, rectangle, square, oval, triangle. Now here all the shapes are mixed up. Here there are ovals, circles, rectangles and squares and circles, all are mixed up here. Now what we have to do, now we are going to sort out the shapes and put it into the correct places. Okay, now we'll start from circle. Here, this shape, what is this shape? This is circle. This is circle. Now where's the circle? From here the circle. Now I'll put the circle here, right? Now what is this shape? This is a rectangle here. Two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. The four sides are not equal. Two sides are equal. Now the other two sides are equal. Now where's the rectangle from here? Is this the rectangle? No. Is this the rectangle? Yes, here the rectangle here. Now here. Okay. Now what is this shape? Yeah. What is this shape? This is another rectangle here. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. These two sides are long. These two sides are short. So this is a rectangle here, another rectangle. Okay. Now what is this shape? Here. Here. Oval. What is this shape? Oval. Where's the oval? Where oval? Where? Here, oval. Now here, this oval, I'll keep it here. Now here, we see, what about this shape? Here, it has four sides. All the sides are equal. Four sides are equal. Four sides are equal means that's a square. Here, square. Right? Now here, another one here. This is a triangle here. This three sides. Triangle has three sides. Now here we'll see where's the triangle? Here. Here the triangle. Here. I'll keep this triangle here. Right? Now we'll see what is this shape. Two sides are equal. Two sides are. Another two sides are equal. All the four sides are not equal. That is a rectangle. Where the rectangle? Where to put the rectangle then? If I put it here, is it correct? No, this is wrong. If I put into if I keep with circles, is it correct? No, we have to sort out. We have to find the rectangle size and put it here. Now here, I put it with all the rectangles are here now. Now here, what is this shape? This is an oval. Oval. Here, where's the oval? Where? Ovals, where? Here? No, these are circles. These are triangles. These are ovals, right? Now here, ovals. Now we see, what about this one? Is this a triangle? No. Is this a circle? Yes, this is a circle, right? What about this one? Here? This is a rectangle. This is not a triangle. This is not a square. This is a rectangle. We'll put it here, right? We see this one. Four sides are equal. See? If I put into this here with circles, no, wrong. I have to put it with all the other squares. We'll put all the squares together, right? That's how we are sorting shapes. Now what about this one? This is a rectangle here. Two sides equal, two sides equal. Four sides are not equal. Two sides only equal. This is a rectangle. Here rectangles, all the rectangles are here. What about this shape? This is a circle. This is a circle. Where circle? Is this a circle? No. Here. Is this a circle? These are circles. Here I'll put these circles together. Right? Now what about this one? This is a triangle. Here triangles. I'll put it here. Then what about this one? This is a square. Here the squares here. Now you know the shapes, right? Now here triangle. Here the triangles. Here what about this one? This is a rectangle. Here the rectangles are here. And what about this one? Is this a rectangle? Here, if I put it here, no, this is not a rectangle. See, two sides are equal, two sides equal. Here, all the four sides are equal. Then this is not a rectangle. This is a square. Then what about this one? This is a circle. Here, circle. Right? This one, is this a circle? Yes, this is a circle. What about this one? This is a square. Here, four sides are equal. Then, what about this one? This is a rectangle. Here, a rectangle. This one, this is a rectangle. Here, rectangle. Right? Now, what about this one? This is a square. Here, four sides equal. Then, okay, what about this one? This is a square. Here. Then, this one, three sides. It has three sides. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Right? This one, this is a square. Here, square. Right? Now, we are separating the shapes. Right? We learn all the shapes now. And we are separating the shapes, right? What about this one? This is a rectangle. Here, I put all the rectangles together. We are sorting shapes, right? What about this one? This is a square. Here, square. What about this one? This is also square. This one also square. Here. And this one. This is a circle. Here, circle. And this a triangle. Here, triangle. This one, it's a triangle. All the triangles are separately here. Here, this is a triangle. Here, and this is a circle. Circle. Here, then this one, this also circle. And this is an oval. Here, ovals here. What about this one? This also an oval. Here, oval. This one, a square. A square. Here, square. Like this, a circle. A circle. This one, a rectangle. Here, rectangle. I'll put it here. And this is a circle here. All the circles are here now. Here, a square. It's a square. This one here. This is an oval. Here, oval. Here, this is a circle. Circle, round circle. This is like an egg. We call. I taught you earlier. This is an oval. Here, what about this? This is an oval. Here, oval. This one here, two sides equal. Two sides equal. Four sides are not equal. This is a rectangle. Rectangle. Then this one. This is an oval. Now, okay, children. Now we sort out all the shapes here. These are circles. These are rectangles. These are squares. these are ovals, these are triangles. Okay children, I hope you enjoy the lesson. This is how we are sorting shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes now we have learned. Thank you for listening children. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.